If you want to know how to fix TikTok your video has been muted problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app and let's say that we've uploaded video and it was set as a private or something like this. So we don't able to interact with it, we cannot change, and the audio was muted. So how can we fix it? Basically, we cannot do something with this video here. We need to delete it and then just re-upload it, but make sure that your audio is licensed for the TikTok. Sometimes there could be like some copyright issues or something like this. So the easiest way of how can we solve this problem is that we can change the audio. So we can change the sound using CapCut or the TikTok video editor or do some other stuff. But what if we are like 100% sure that our audio is okay? How can we have an appeal or something like this? In order to do this, we just simply need to update this video, to upload it and save as a draft, do not post, and then just click on more in the right top corner right up here, go to settings and privacy, and from this page we need to scroll down to find support and about area, and we need to click on report a problem. So after that, we can find a lot of different topics, but we need to click on videos and sounds right up here. And then we need to find the necessary thing. For example, we can click on sounds. And here, as you can see, we have some topics: unable to use sound, unable to use sound business account, can find the music, trim button, I cannot find the songs, I have added to favorite list. So here we need to click on other because we have another topic, and now we need to explain our problem. So we need to click on no, need more help, and here we need to write something like this: my video has been muted, but it's okay, help me please. So you need to explain your problem. You can say that you have some problems with posting, with algorithms or something like this. And then you can easily add some videos or 4 photos even. So you can click on submit now and the TikTok will receive this message and probably they will help us. They will delete all the restrictions or something like this, but make sure that your appeal is full and it was like covering all the problems you have. So basically this is the way of how can you fix problem that your video has been muted on TikTok. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.